Welcome back to my channel. Before I get started showing y'all what I've completed here, I want to share with y'all my thought of the day, and that is you will find happiness the moment that you begin to take responsibility for your life. So if you're going to give credit for all of your misery and all of your bad feelings, your depression, anxiety, stuff like that, to your parents who didn't take care of you the way that you wanted, or you were abused, attacked, what have you, by somebody that you trusted. It doesn't have to be your parents, it can be anybody. If you're going to give them credit for the bad, you also have to start giving them credit for the good. And you might genuinely be super depressed, just really an unhappy person. But there is happiness, I promise. Even if you have not found it, happiness and goodness still does exist in your life, and you have to give them credit for that too. I once heard someone say, and I wish that I could remember who it was because I'd love to give credit, but they said when something bad happens to you, you have 24 hours to be angry, to be sad, to be upset, all of the bad feelings. You have 24 hours to feel all of that. And then after that, it is you who are responsible for the way that you're going to react and the way that you are going to be and conduct yourself after that. That does not mean that we are not going to have bad things happen to us. That does not mean that we are not going to have trauma. But what it does mean is that how we respond to it is on us. You, if you don't know it, if you do not know it, you are an autonomous human being, free to make your own decisions, regardless of what other people say, their opinions, what has been done to you. And y'all all know the saying, victim or victor, bitter or better. And I know it's cliche, but it's just so true. You have decisions to make. And if you are in the victim category, if you are bitter, if you are in those categories, you have a lot of work to do. But you can retrain your brain. You can become victorious. You can overcome. I believe in you. I've seen it. You can do it. All right, on to what I have been doing. How cute is that? How cute is this little Beatrix Potter Peter Rabbit journal? I am in love. And let's look what we got going on the inside. Going on in the inside. All right. Got a collaged pocket here, and is that not the cutest washi tape? It's Beatrix Potter washi tape. Let me see if y'all can see that. I can't see the back very well. There we go. How cute is that? Available in my Etsy shop, or at least it will be in a couple days. I haven't put it there yet, but I do plan to in a couple of days. A little journaling card with some Beatrix Potter characters. A little lace pulley tab. I love it. Here I've got, I made this, in fact there's a video on how I made this out of an envelope, so y'all watch that video. I will try to remember to leave a link to it, but I might not, but the video is there, I promise. And in here, a little postcard journaling card. Got a little tuck space with a little journaling card here. A little tiny bit of collaging. Okay. So here, y'all know I cannot resist doing the pretty little clips, paper clips. So we have one here, all these little pretty pastel colors, and a little envelope that I did not glue together. Instead, I collaged this little, what I made into a journaling card. It was a big piece of leather type paper that I turned into a journaling card. I love that. Love it, love it. And on the back, the paper clip also holds this postcard, journaling card. So plenty of room to write in this. It's 2 signatures, and if I'm remembering correctly, it's 80 pages. If I'm remembering correctly, that sounds right. And this will be, and also will be in my Etsy shop in the next couple of days. Have not put it there yet. There was someone on Instagram that was interested in it, and I am giving her till tomorrow to let me know if she's still interested. If I haven't heard back from her, I will put it in my Etsy shop. Some pretty tea-dyed paper. Some blue hand-dyed paper. I've got some pretty ruffles here sewn in. Is that not the cutest? Got a little Peter Rabbit pocket here, more washi. A little tag. A couple of tickets. A little note card. I love it. And I added some Peter Rabbit color sequins. If you can call it Peter Rabbit color sequins. You know, just colors that match the journal. I'm going every page just because I love the papers as well. This postcard I made into a pocket. And I've got a little journal tag here with some sari silk. And I made this, I think y'all can see, I do believe that this is in my window specimen video, how I made this. And if y'all watch that, y'all notice I changed this part out because what I had on there was far too thick for me to be able to get down into this postcard, and I wanted that to be able to fit. So, pull that to the side. There we go. Got a little Peter Rabbit dangle with a pretty little blue button. So cute. So many laces hanging out and overflowing. Yeah, this would be perfect for a little baby book too. Plenty of room to write, plenty of stuff to use to decorate if you wanted to decorate more. But if you just love Peter Rabbit, and I do not have any babies, this would be an amazing keepsake, amazing little memento eye candy, really. Got a little Peter Rabbit tuck here with some more places to jot, or again, just eye candy. My dogs are coming in and out of my door that I thought that I had shut. Alright, so I have a pocket here that I've done a little bit of collaging on, and then I stacked these 3 cutouts, quite thick by the way, and made a little staggered collage. A little journaling card and a library card. I think that's just adorable. Adorable. More pretty paper. I love that paper. And I had some tissue paper I thought would be really pretty in here. Another little tuck space with a little envelope. You could write on the inside of that. So even though it's chock full, there is still plenty of room for writing. How cute is that? How cute. Oh, one of her little whiskers flipped up. I'm going to have to glue that down. So 2 pockets here. And then I have this little tag stuck up here. I'm going to leave this out so that I can remember to glue her little whisker down. I don't want that coming off. Got a little postcard here. with a cute little bingo card. Again, all of these can be written on. Is anybody doing anything exciting for Labor Day? I think we are going to go tubing on the last day of summer. And I know it's not the last day of summer. I know it's not. But, you know, Labor Day is just like that mark. And we haven't been tubing all summer. I thought it would be fun. How cute is this little teeny tiny tag? I collaged on it, added a little Peter Rabbit. I love it. So a little pocket here. Another little tag. And a pocket up here with a lot of space to write there. A big old tag. What are y'all doing back there? I hear my doggies. I hear them. I really do. I thought them was outside. Did your brother let you in? Okay. A couple pockets here. One made out of Rolodex and the other from a tag. This is a little bitty one. I thought that was cute though. It might be little, but it's mighty. It packs a punch of cuteness. Does it not? It does. So cute. I just love that little tag. Some fabric. Little sparkly fabric. Here I've got another couple of pockets and a tag and a postcard. And this is a paper clip. And that is not the cutest paperclip I have, y'all. That is a really cute paperclip. So cute. But one day I'm going to have to show y'all this other paperclip that I have that's even cuter. But it wasn't appropriate for this journal. So, and that one was. And it's absolutely adorable. How beautiful. I love this page with this lace. Can y'all see the sequins and the beads on this lace? It is so shimmery. I just love it. I love it. I've got a little teeny tiny tuck space with this little tiny Beatrix Potter cat. I was looking at him and was thinking, you know, what to do with him, what to do. I was going to do a collage, and I thought, no. I've got some little items here, and it would be perfect to make him a little tuck space for these little items. I think it's so cute. That page is adorable, I think. Alright, here I've got a tuck space, a little Peter Rabbit in a frame, and did some collaging on this with a bingo card, Mr. McGregor's Garden. Still plenty of space to write there. And got another tuck space with this library card. How cute is that? I added some gold stars up here, a pretty little ribbon, and on the inside is place to write if you open it up. I think that's just so pretty. And again, I love the paper. I love it. I do. I know I keep saying that, but I just do. And that's why I wanted to show y'all every page, because even the undecorated pages, in my opinion, are truly special, including the front and back inside covers. I found this fabric and I just thought it was perfect. So the front and back inside covers is this cute little rabbit fabric. And that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you're interested, like I said, it will be in my Etsy shop. Probably a day or two after this video gets posted on YouTube, so not too long. Just check there, you know, or put a comment here, which I would appreciate anyway. All of that kind of stuff subscribing, liking, commenting. It really, really, really helps. I've been doing this for over a year. And look, I would do it whether I ever had a following or ever made a sale, but I am trying to grow somewhat of a following and make sales due to supplemental income that would really be helpful. And not to mention, if, when I don't make the sales, y'all, my collection and my stack is so huge. I make, the sales are quite decent. They are. Support a small business. Comment, like, share, subscribe. And y'all check out my Etsy reviews. If y'all are concerned about buying from someone that you don't know, check out the reviews. All of my reviews are excellent. And I try to do my absolute very best to under promise and over deliver. Until next time, y'all remember that thought of the day. Be thinking on it. You can control your thoughts. Till next time.